TikTok, how to undo repost. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can undo repost on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to undo repost on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok app. And let's say that you tap the share icon from the bottom right of the screen here, and then from here you went ahead and then reposted this video. What happens is that you could have lost track of this video because you have watched so many videos and then you want to undo that repost. Well, to undo that repost, you can come to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen from here. Once you come to the profile icon, you want to make sure to tap this infinity loop icon that you can find here, where you'll be able to see a list of all the videos that you have reposted. So make sure to select the video that you want to unrepost, tap on it, tap the share icon, tap on remove repost, and this video will get successfully unreposted. This way you can unrepost on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.